Hi everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks. This is Viren here. Now, if you have subscribed me, you must have seen or you must have come across a video which talked about the Provident Fund and what is the website that we have to go. How can we check our balance of PF on that website? And if you have not subscribed, if you want to check out, this is the URL of that video. Now, I just found out and that the government has changed the URL for the website. So the website has changed, and the new PF website, that is for the UAN, that is Universal Account Number, is this one. So the whole, oh man, I thought of giving you a feel of the new website, and this is what we get. All right, it's working now, and as you can see straight away that this is a much cleaner and neater version of the earlier website. They have given a few pointers out here. If you see here in the yellow area, they have given 3 points. Only one mobile number can be used for registration. A member can view his passbook, that is how much is your PF balance and all that. Only if your PF is attached to a UAN, that is Universal Account Number. If you are wondering what is a UAN, once again, if you go to the FAQs section in the right bottom, which is frequently asked questions, here it explains you once again what is a UAN, how do I get my UAN, and a lot of questions. Alright, I'll go back to home. And the last point talks about the facility of passbook is not available for members members of establishments having exemption under the EPF scheme 952. So I guess this is most likely applicable to the central government employees. I'm not sure why they are not given this facility of viewing their passbooks. All right. What are the other things that you can do on this website here? They've given here, you can download and print your passbook anytime. Again, maybe not applicable for central government employees. You can download and print your UAN card, that is Universal Account Card, and I'll show you that. You can update your KYC information, that is KYC, that is know your customer information. That is your ID and proofs, like you can upload your Aadhaar card, PAN number and all that. All right, again, there are some important links here. You can activate your UAN. You can, if you have applied for a UAN, you can know your UAN status. This is activating UAN. I'll go back to home. This is knowing the status of a UAN. Okay, I'll go back, and then you can register for your UAN. So here you can register for your UAN and generate a UAN for yourself. All right, quickly I will enter the website. I know my UAN at the back of my hand. Okay, password remains the same as for the earlier website. All right, so I get in with ease. Very quickly on the left side here, I can view my passbook. The moment I hit on view passbook, it gives me my 2 PF numbers because I changed my organization 5 months ago. I can click on any of these and start downloading my passbook. I won't do that now. If you go to the home button again, you can click on UAN card and it will show you your UAN card. You can take a printout and laminate and keep it with you. Going back to home, going to account settings, here you can change your password. This in the view option, in the view tab, you have options like profile, service history. Now what is service history? Service history shows you the establishment which gave you your UAN, and from that time it starts tracking your organizations, the date of joining and all that. And again, this is passbook. If I go to the manage tab, go to contact details, here you can change your contact details like email ID and mobile number. If I go to KYC, that is know your customer. Now here you can update your proofs, IDs, that is bank, PAN. Now if I select the first one, bank, then it talks about the document number. maybe your bank account number, and then what is the name in that account number and the IFSC code. Similarly for Aadhaar, if I select that, it'll talk here. I have to put my Aadhaar number. What is the name in Aadhaar card? The moment I save, I'm not doing it now. I guess I will get the option to upload the documents. Now here, if we go below, you can see I already have 3 documents, and I had uploaded Aadhaar sometime in December, so it's approved now. So pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple website. Like I said, they've made some effort, and this looks quite neat. Uh, okay, now let's check out this view tab, which talks about service history. Now, service history here, I'm seeing 2 organizations. The first one is the one which generated a UN for me, and I think from here, whenever I change my organization, my PF number might change, but the UN will remain the same. That is Universal Account Number. So, if I want to transfer my PF from the earlier organization to the new one, first I need to check whether I am eligible. So basically, you can do online PF transfers if your current organization or the early organization have digital signatures, because they will need digital signatures to online do an attestation of your PF transfer. Just like in the old days, when we used to go to a magistrate to get an attestation done on a true copy, and that is when we used to do a photocopy of something, we used to get it attested. So the same way, there is an online attestation done of the amount being transferred, and if none of your organizations, that is your previous and the current, if they don't have digital signatures, you can't do PF transfer, online PF transfer. You'll have to do it manually. So let me just show you. In the member ID, if I select my old PF number and I hit the new organization here on the right side, which says check eligibility, there you go, it's clean for me. So it says here both my organizations, that is my early organization and the current one, both have digital signature certificates. So I can do an online transfer of my PF. Alright, but I can't do it here within this area. There is a different portal, and I'll show you that. This is the URL where you actually transfer your PF from one organization to the other. So you need to click here, but this page is not loading. I just wanted to check once again. If you have a UAN, this is the portal that you need to go to. You need to click here, and I just found out this particular website, some planmoneytax.com. Now here this chap has given the entire process right from logging on to the OTCP, this one, which is the OTCP portal. How do you do the transfers? We can see here with the screenshots. All right, so I guess this pretty much covers everything. Let me know your questions or comments, or and if you feel that I missed something or gave some wrong information, I'll be more than glad if you point that out in your comments, and I'll rectify that. And in the end, thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Bye.